Hello and welcome to our G4G Atelier. When we think of what it means to feel nourished, we may think of providing what is necessary for growth, health, and our well-being overall. Food is a crucial part of feeling physically nourished. Our bodies have a fascinating response to pull all the nutrients from the food and engage all of our senses on many different levels. And what about feeding our soul, nourishing our mind, or even nourishing people at a societal level with sustainable thinking and reducing food waste? Today, we are excited to think about how food is different by design and all the different innovative ways we can use it. Our experiments today get us inspired to see how we can understand food in relation to nourishing our bodies, minds, and souls, and all served with a side of science. Are your taste buds ready to experiment? Let's go! Are you curious about edible slime? Well, we added powdered sugar, which has cornstarch in it. When we combine the heated chocolate marshmallow mixture together with the powdered sugar, the starch particles got bigger, and so they have less room to move around. This means our solution becomes thick and more resistant to changing shape, or more viscous. Depending on how much you add, you'll have a certain kind of viscosity and a certain kind of slime. So have fun with it and explore. And don't be afraid to lick your fingers. Wow, we can see that the sparkling water lifts the kernels. That's because the carbon dioxide in the sparkling water surrounds the corn and lifts it as it moves to the top of the jar. When the bubble pops, the corn falls back down, only to be lifted up with the next carbon dioxide bubble, making it look like dancing. It may surprise you that you can make your very own battery using just household materials. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be saved in various forms. One way to store it is in the form of chemical energy in a battery. Batteries are containers that store chemical energy, which when connected to a circuit can be converted to electrical energy, or what we call electricity. They depend on an electrochemical reaction to do this. The reaction typically occurs between two pieces of metal, called electrodes, and a liquid or paste, called an electrolyte. For a battery to work well, the electrodes must be made up of two different types of materials, in our case, the zinc and copper. This ensures one will react differently than the other with the electrolyte, in this case, the lemon juice. Make sure that one end of one clip connects to a cathode of one fruit, a positive end of a battery, for example, the copper coin, and the other end of the clip connects to the anode of another fruit, or negative end of the battery, for example, the galvanized nail. Continue this until all are connected. Once everything is connected, put the last alligator wire clip on the long LED leg, and the other one on the short LED leg. And then, ta-da! You just created electricity with fruits. Then have fun exploring which fruit works the best for you.